it's Mandy here. Today I'm here to show you a card I made using the new Unity Uni stamp from Angie Blum. I created a background by stamping the hearts and then I'm just colouring them with my distress inks in the colour of picked raspberry. Then I'm moving on to the girl and I'm using peacock feathers to colour her hoodie. For her hair colour I chose ground espresso. Then I picked up some more picked raspberry just to add some pink. Then I added some hickory smoke at the bottom for her trousers. Then I'm blending ground espresso and a tiny bit of mustard seed ink just to create a skin colour. Then I take my background and put it onto a craft cardstock and take some twine and wrap it around 3 times and separate it, and then I add the girl and the sentiment on top. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!